Yes. Wabo we. Una good morning. Una good morning. Una welcome. Na me una brother na Pikin. We come from Edo State. We papa na Benin, and mama na Benin. Una good morning. Make una share this video. May reach everybody hand. May everybody for the world. May they know what human being they do for what human being they do person. This world what we can't do now. It can't be say na evil people now can't fool the world. The people will not the pity for person. The people will want to say person want die or want your kill and finish. People may not want people better for community. They can't fool everywhere for the evil world. Waiting the custom for their body, cause they want rich. Waiting the custom for their body, they want rich. They're going to do their fellow brother bad thing. They're going to do their fellow sister bad thing. Now, I'm not saying I mean they tell me, I'm saying I mean the new generation prophet Atifi. When I not agree, maybe they do bad to the fellow human being. Any year, I take committee where they do bad for your senior, your fellow human being, and not the like them. This life what we did, so now live and let's live. Not be wicked war, where our daughter can change to. Who be all those type of people where they do the bad for the community. Mostly some of our idol leaders, our idol youths. Now they do this bad thing. Now I come out. I not go school, my people. Talk to us, say I want control Facebook, I want do Facebook work. I see the way that they behave for the community for social media. Our idol people, some of our idol people. Now make me come out for his house. Say this nonsense just too much. You know, so many Pikin where their papa send message. They just they grow, they come, they not get home training. They not trade them for house. They not trade them for house now, so they take on Europe. So now they control their family. Their family not they get what they talk for where they do again. So all those type of people they too full Facebook. They full Facebook, some of them. I go take some of them make parable. Now before I start the topic when I they go. Like a Monekia, if papa not train and wear. Like if you're done, that one. If papa say, he did when he born and I bury at a house. Since that day, poverty not finished for that house again. Which one again? So let us go to the topic. Niger Wash. He get one big blogger where there for Edo State. If papa na digging, he name na Elvis. This blogger, he don't tell where they keep people page. If they keep people page, he go change the name to another name. He don't do several one. Me, we cannot get personal quarrel. Where the quarrel for come? Now I want to tell my country people. Una not say I never get chance to tell una since then. About this Niger Wash. Elvis Edigi, where come from Edo State. He said now he be Niger Wash director. Niger Wash in director intermenity interpreses. He said now he be the Niger Wash in director. Una not say I be Pikin wey no go school, I dey talk always. Before I call jam friend where they call him Menwan. Before I jam this friend where they call him Menwan. For Facebook, na from Victor. Pikin, we know they tell the commonized person. Pikin, we call everybody in own. If you there for pace, you go the pain, I go find, I go want to help you survive, I go find out. Before I call jam this Pikin. You know say, if Pikin this country, he go tell one leg stand before he go put two leg down. Where do you see men when I come? Where they come put her for social media president, they put me for chairman. I can't tell her, say, all those women, they don't get character. All those women, that's why the community is saying, he say no, he not believe me. Or because they take what all those they tell them, all those because they take them, we can go get quarrel. The time we contain no say na truth I tell her, now it run from they say it be a German a gumobo. All those it be a there plenty now that they use Niger Watch today. Now that they send Niger Watch message. Now that they send Niger Watch message to Moshe Monekia. Now me I can't tell them now. Me not the quarrel. He get my Facebook, my page where they carry 17,000 followers. The time where the page where they never block him, I call Niger Watch make it metalateral for me. You know what it be metalateral motorize. You don't let them do. Now, when they don't collect my page, they go change them to BBC Niger. 17,000 viewers. Only overnight, you get 17,000 viewers for the page now. Overnight, you get 5,000 likes for the page now. He can't put Captain Osa, that big man when he died for Edo State. Okumbo, he can't put her for now. Be the first video when he put. As I see him, when did they change the topic? They change the name of my Facebook, New Generation Prophet Atiti. If they change that to BBC Niger, Niger we can't go they take it. As they change and they go, we go they take a picture. We go they take a picture. It can't be say they can't put Captain Ogumbo video. Our late brother when he died. They can't put the video. Now I can't take and they swear for Niger Watch. That night I swear for them. Niger Watch with the death when he killed Captain Osa Okumbo. He own a better death. He asked Okumbo rich. Since the money they find when you carry my page. You not go ever see that richness where Captain Okumbo rich where you go put for the video. Where you go put for the page where you want to make money. So before they break it, Niger Watch you go there. He go remove him. He go remove him. I follow Captain Okumbo when I watch him and not see him again. He go put it there film. He can't go put Shakishan. He can't go put Shakishan. Waiting me the tell be broken English people. So as the matter never start to circulate, man over year before I start to speak broken English, Niger Watch Director Limited, Edigi Evis, give me my page. Oh, not be if you carry my page now you must give me my page. Oh. As I come work, so I say when I quit drop this one this morning before I go enter work. If I reach out today, you go give me my page. We not the quarrel. They say when I come beg you, when I go beg the people when I offend, I don't offend anybody. I see they talk am. Any person where they do bad thing for community, where not they behave when I mean because of course social media. The time when you they block me, when you be my backup for 1 year 6 months. But Obasa go do bad, I go quarrel with her. Monica go do bad, the Mofi back, he go do bad, I go quarrel with her. You not block my page, where you can go chop Yore or Mose money. If Yore or Mose and your sister, Niger Watch, where you do to her, you go do it to your sister. And that question, what could they ask you now? Yeah, now, what we are digging, a powerful booking, boo, booking, and we are digging. Oh, Jobba Jawoking. Who am I page me? Who am I page me? We are digging. Hey, I said now when you have my bog, but one monak, but one cagbe, unwevie done. If you don't know about more, that guy waiting there for Austria, one girl that they call her Motia Mobugbe, now if you that they call her, he abandoned 3 piki, he don't follow, you don't know the Lekia o Nekwemu. You don't know the day where they celebrate Mother's Day for your piki. Only you want to go to do birthday. Piki, you go to cook. Piki not the way one chop the food where they cook for birthday. You know the shame. You see how they talk for live video. If you're down, over my bugbe. You go to celebrate birthday. Piki not the way you want for chop. You know you go to cook. No piki where one chop the food. You want to take a pomekia. Now so you go for Obaselu wife come. And when I go, and when I go. Obaselu where big nonsense come off your face. You say now you carry my page. Now lie you talk. If now you, Niger Watch will collect for you hand, you go give me. This one go be the end of. It go be the end when I go the carry Percy page. When I go the block Percy page, it go be the end. I don't tell you now right from the time, right from beginning. That page not go let you now carry down again. If you not carry it down, Bini go so much sooner. Since the whole Benin don't see that page for there now, so now don't change that. Now trap will take herself for now. Trap. You don't tell when they do. Now trying to do Sarah. Where Sarah go to abuse. I don't know where I go to abuse. Fear don't let me talk that one come off from out. If you see person when you want to grow, na so na go do. I shall work with comment. Na so na do am. Una block the page. Is that why come and say na he can sell it private part. He sell a hectares. He see husband for inside. He carry hectares. If you which husband you see him carry, collect one they collect the go. You know they ashamed of yourself. You know see what I love you. He told you tell you. Since the old women they talk to you for live video, go watch a EQ Yame Fire Brigade. Go watch a video. If you watch them full reach ground, you watch them again 3 times. You go sickness go hold you. So my brothers and my sister, now very short one I say when I call drop this morning. Every said digging, Niger wash. Where did it call itself Niger wash? This one a new generator you jam. Now new generator. This matter if it take 10 years for granted. If it take 10 years, since you don't want one better, I go make sure say the better way you do better before I go destroy all of them for your hand. Not be joke at the joke. If me quarrel with you, say what you do. You know good, you go come on your back off for my page. You go change my page to BBC Niger. The page will not let them metalator. Since then, not let a man immortalize. You don't materialize for only one video. Mona she can listen to this one. Oh, everything of your digging. Everything of your digging. Agbawe me. Agbawe. Yeah, you go wow. Yeah, you go bulu wow. Where? Why am I page me? Why you were bad? This one I go make una stop and una not go to keep page again. If person talk to una go find person when you go fit talk to una. Una tell us say me that person go talk to una. If any person talk to una that time, una say atiti. Or whenever swear atiti gumagwagwan. If the person talk to una no here, when I go catch her, I go this not I go come out nonsense for your head. That time next time they talk to una I go here. Now so I wanted to do all of una now. For the beat una for this, I remember go the beat una. Till una come up for bad thing. Una don't disgrace una name. Una don't spoil una name finish. Una see the talk say you are Moshefine speaker. You are Moshefine speaker. Yeah, you are presenter. What do they present? What do they present? Me not call myself presenter. I don't get what they present. What do me they present to Benin people? All the old Baba people waiting for social media where they came out they condemn. Where be Benin people where they take man they condemn Benin people, they want to destroy Benin people. Now me I they present. I they stand for the people who not get voice to fit talk. If you are friend, I can't tackle you. Now me they do. Me not get what me they do for you. But una go change my page. Oh we are dig yo. Oh Joba Jewo no. FVC do a page mo. FVC do a page mo. But we are doing fe welcome FVC no me page me go me o. Attack parakpa no gyojino. So my brothers and sisters, una good morning. God go bless una this morning. Una no see any man when he do invest. When he do invest, person dey spoil am for hand, don't be waiting good. All of una wey dey here today. The investment when I invest, man no fit collect am for una hand. Woman no fit change una name. Man no fit change una name. Any man wey say me change una name for una property, he go die atomic death. The atomic death, let me want to carry the gift Niger watch because he go put our brother Captain Osa. He go put am for in that page when he thief so. Now the death when he kick after Osa. Big man oh na kick after Osa. The poor man oh na go kill Niger watch over digging oh go kill her. Elvis over digging. He with a agbawe. With a agbawe. Wọ́n ponu gbé kai ko. Iyan wa gbé aleru na gbé kai ko. Iya kan mo iko hin. Ni aka mo iko hin. Na na wa beju wa. Ojoba jewo. Apa obobo. Ewia. Wa do legal view wa bo wa ni get eneje. You don't tip people money, tip people page, tip everything. You say you be the house where you put 5 gates. Another people money. Now the school where your papa say you be that. Now the school where your papa say you be that, say you call the thief. Okay, I dey come for una. You know say that they say Benin for grow. The time where all of us grow, where we grow some, they never even born you that time. The time when it be the year of your papa for say, they never born you. You be small pikin that time. I can't tell you your papa history. If you don't know me, well, you know me with time reach. Yeah, why I say if you know what is good for you before I reach out today, Mona send this video go give. You know if you done. You know, may collect the page. Okay, you don't tell us no be. May go collect the page for a VA may bring am for me. Now me I need you. That page don't dey for them. If they bring that page down, they go see what it go happen. The hope I don't dey for that page. No, oh attitude oga. New generation oga ki. Ega mu gboto. Ah mu iwe me we gbe. Ah ma wo emi o ma gbe. Ah mu iwe me. They must give me my property. Whether devil like it or not. Some people feel say he go talk, he go rest. Me, Amonikia know me. Amonikia. If pikin they say, if papa of the pikin they celebrate birthday, they don't let her do birthday. They don't let her do birthday. Pikin where you born, you don't go give it papa. I see you this morning, I be yesterday. Not be breast if they show again. If they show the nyash, if my nyash is biggie, my nyash is biggie. Now we go, go. Monica we ladjang, Monica we ladjang. Other show it baby, no there. My waist is big. This gun is low. This gun is low. Not be breast if they show again. Before that breast, you go throw away breast like this. No, now nyash you call the show now. You know say I get big bump, I get big nyash. At your, you say you be mature woman, you say be responsible woman. Who person they show me ash? You they show me attitude ash. Now attitude they show me ash. I know they come because you be destiny killer. You the old people secret where they take keep people. I know they come home. Me not go give them. I see. Me you not see me they call kill me. Bah ya moka wa ya zenawa. If you worry where am on the streets. If I narrate now, if una pikin go come, they go the shame for streets. All the video when I they do, if the people listen to them, no say I they quarrel with you for bad one I they do. So Mona wait for me. Una go wait till the time now, 2 minutes to 9. One can they go, one can go walk. Because they say now best waiting person key now they survive. I don't get money when I they collect for them, but as soon as they do when I change my name, now I be waiting first me, I be waiting first the opening. Anyhow I take one, I go give me my page. Now just small thing, I will give my page. Brothers and sisters, I could not vex the way I take the talk to them because they be evil people for the community. They don't want make people better. When don't they see these people right from time. If they see people who want to climb up for Facebook, they will kill their page. If they see people who want to climb up for Facebook, they will kill their page. If you did for all those people hand, all those the Niger wars. They know the agreement you share other person video. They know the agreement you share another person video. They'll say the person won't grow. They'll say the person won't grow. They say they for inside Bible to be your brother's keeper. In anything you are to be your brother's keeper. But where would they see now? Not be brother's keeper. Not be evil's keeper. Not be evil's keeper. Not be waiting complete. And most of they carry Bible, they go church every Sunday. Una be Christian, una be Christian. Now you Christian una be both the pastor where they teach na work ogun pastor no mind gberegwa ne we no sabi advice in members. Ogun go kill that pastor we no dey advise members say make dem no dey do bad again.